If we want to introduce ourselves in the other computer, we have to download the program Kine. First of all, we have to open the program. Then we have to press the button Configure. The next step is introduce the web where the computer is in. The following step is make a click in the button you can see in your screen. Now we have to be in a screen like this. Then make a click with the right button of your mouse. After it, press the option you can see in your screen. Now they must appear the IP address of the computers which are in the web. The IP which is in blue is the IP which we want to attack. Now we have to go to the bottom ARP. You can see it in your screen. At this moment, you have to be seeing the IP address and MAC address of the computers which are in the web. But we only have to select the IP we want. Now we have to make a click in the yellow button. Your computer is going to start working. In the picture which you can see is in green is when the process is finished. Now you can see that you can observe in your screen all the pages that the computer have visited in the last hours. If you want to see it correctly, you must make a click in the button APR8TTPS. At the end of the page, you can see a button which appears Password. Make a click on it. In this way, we can use if we want the name and the password of the person we are trying, because it appears in our page. To get it, the person must have visited the page before. One of them is one which appears in blue. In this one, we can see the page, the name, and the password. The next step is open the button APRDNS, the same way that in the screen. We are going to write domains which we want to change the IP address. One of these appears in our screen now, but we are going to show you how to do it. We must to make a click with the right button of your mouse and select the option that appears in your screen. In the first line, we have to write the domain, and in the second one, the new IP address that we want to be in. In this way, with the code DNS, we have changed the relation between IP address and the domain. We can invent the IP address. Here finishes our work. Use it with responsibility.